this makeup look is every freaking thing. Oh shit, look it. I hate this mascara. This mascara always does this to me. Cheap ass. You know what? I'm gonna extend the color down here because my eyes will touch anyway, so I want to fix that before it triggers. So I'm done. My phone is dying and I plan on vlogging today, so we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna put it to charge and get ready. Mama? Yeah, I'm a AirPods now. We're blessed Lord to the this one cleaning our shit.
Yeah.
Alright, mama, bye.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Hi, Papa. Hi. I love you. I love you so much. I love you so much, Papa. Yeah, I got
'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about.
They don't have any black belts. I look for black belt for Jonathan from last week. Everyone gonna have none. So I'm gonna go on the roadside. They don't have no black belt. They don't have no navy blue socks. And there's something when just up in the uniform for go. Say if they wear black shoes, they wear black belt. I don't know why, because they wear one long tunic to cover the pants. But I can't find a black belt. And the black belt when them have it don't look good. So I want to buy them the new belt and I want to buy them one shoes.
What you can afford, memories are in what you explore. So just don't be ignored, go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide.
Oh, thank you. Oh, my Instagram, should go on my Instagram because I posted this picture today. Yeah, so same LyricRochester on Instagram. Yeah. Take care. Yeah, man.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright?
Hey, Papa. I love you. Come and kiss me. Jalil.
And those don't grow on trees. That's cute. Thank you. Ooh, yeah, does it have a wow factor?
Pretty much. You don't see a lot of homes in this.
Peaceful.
There's Zen vibes.
There's Zen
Like what he's done.
But you're not see a lie though. You're not see a lie though. You know, say your phone.
It's not your phone in the. Oh, I thought you meant this. I thought you meant video phone. Sorry. You're gonna set people like you are gonna set up a set.
Leave it. I'm fine. Thank you for telling me, but I'm gonna come over there, so okay?
Mommy, I'm going to talk about you.
Choosing each other. Beside the fact that these two look like a walking Calvin Klein ad, these lovebirds married. Now, I have a very serious question to ask both of you.
It is. I really want to sleep. I have to wake up early tomorrow morning to get the boys ready for school. But I'm going to do the voiceover and have this ready to go up. I want to start doing videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday, so like 3 days for the week. So I'm trying. I've never done this before, so I'm just trying. Anyway, so I'll just show you guys how I do my voiceover in Final Cut Pro. Say come up here. Oops, sorry. Say come up here, and then I click window. Then just scroll down to record voiceover. Really, really simple. And you can name it if you want. I never name mine. We just start talk. I hope outside won't be too noisy. Alright, so as you know, I must have my but first coffee moment, yeah? Alright, so let's go. I'll be using these guitars from Sasha Cosmic. Mama, where's the brush then? Are you in your room? The ear brush.
That's not fair.
more out. That's why I take my time. I can't find the other brush. Yeah, I know. Why am I doing? Why I can't find the other brush? I know if we do with it, why you do with it? Are you taking it up? Are you take up the brush? It's not me. Why am I take up the brush?
Mommy, I got the legendary gun. Oh, no. Mommy.
I know, the tough brush. Oh, it might take my time. Jonathan, after that, no more. Here, come back to the time uniform and then show.
Let me show.
No. I booked my nose just now. I want my grandmother cook. I want cook too. I want them for sign. But no, you for sign just don't get right. This is the piece. That's all.
You say that I'm gonna look at one. What time go open?
But man, you know, so you have a chapel line, JP. We know this. You have 5 days. Man, sign is coming up. Yeah, we have JP.
One page.
No, the threading. Okay, so my inner like yard clothes, never no makeup, no nothing, because today I have to go on the road. I have a lot of errands to run, but I have to do one today. And see I get me ready for school this morning, I have to carry him back and I walk, but so that didn't really annoy me because I know he's not in my car. And once he a cough, I know he really can't go to school. Me know that, but because me not like school, people got assume say me I stop my pick me from school come not like, which is bullshit. Because him have to go. If he have to do something, me do it. Is it me them things that me can't escape. Granted. So me not sending him to school, it look bad for me, even though I'm sick. I don't know, it's just one of those things of being me, where because I'm so friggin' honest, people take my honesty out of. They can nearly get licked down, take my honesty out of proportion, and then just assume the worst. You know what I mean? So I'm really drained today, you guys. Like today is a hell of time. I'm gonna start it. I have a couple places to go. I'm gonna go one and come back. I have to come back and pick up Jonathan from school. I'm going to see if I can time it around Jonathan's school time so that I have to come home, relax, and then go back and load for Jonathan. So I'm going to leave town 1 o'clock because Jonathan's school over 2. So I can get as much errands done today. And we'll see how it goes. I'm experiencing a mental drainage I have never experienced before. The last time you guys saw me was, I think, when I was heading out. There was a things at my after that. When I did one vlog and couldn't get for. Did I vlog? I did one vlog and couldn't get for vlog. Because it's like me, I move. Oh, I bought a new phone case, you guys. It's so nice. Look at, you can see yourself. Look at you. Wait, oh, I'm Brazilian in the shot. I love it. I never want the Apple logo. I like matte cases, but you guys know how I feel about picking up Jonathan from that school that he attends, right? I'm having a panic attack because I get so worked up. Woo! This is not going to listen to the vlog, but it's really up to talk. Stickers for. When I get your phone, I buy you one phone case, Jolly. I know we're not army, huh?